Hi, welcome back to Love, Laugh, Teach. My name is Nikki, and today we're going to be practicing our fourth set of pre-primer Dolch words. The first word in this set is going to be the word come. Now, a lot of students actually see the word me and the word come. But I tell them that with that one, a silly way to remember it is by using actually that word me. Now, we don't tell someone, come me. We tell someone, come. So students will actually remember, that goofy way of saying come me, to help them remember the word come. For the word look, I always draw eyes and the two O's. And then I have my students do this. We point to our eyes and point to something else. And we say, look. And I'll even start rhyming with look, and I'll say, look at the book. And for the words it and is, it kind of depends on each student for these two words. Now, those two words could phonetically be sounded out. I can take those sounds and I can put them together, but not every student at 4, 5, even 6 years old is developmentally ready to blend. Now, for my students who are blending, it's awesome. And they can definitely sound those words out. And I would even, continue by making, using these words and forming larger words with those. What if I put a B in front of it? What would it make? Bit. What if I put an H in front of is? What would it form? The word his. But for students who are not developmentally there yet, what I do like to do is give them, those silly ways to remember those words. Like for the word it, I'll tell my students to pretend to be a robot. I'll tell them to put their robot arms up, and we're gonna spell the word and say the word. I-T, it. For the word is, I'll tell my students that that is the snake's favorite word, and I'll actually draw a little snake tongue, and I'll tell them that when the snake is slithering around, he likes to say that word, is. And they're just silly ways for students to remember those words, to be able to read them fluently, until they're able to read those words phonetically. Now for our last word, for the word not, I'll do this with the O. I put an X on it. And we know that whenever we say that, we say, oh, not. Like, do not go in there. So we'll make that X on the O, but we'll also use our hands, our fingers, to make an X, and we'll say, oh, not. And these are just a few of the tips and tricks that I like to use for these 5 words. I hope that these silly tricks make teaching sight words a lot of fun, and I hope that they are super effective for your student as well. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so, please subscribe to the channel. I will be adding videos with more tips and tricks to these sight words, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye.